Hey guys, it's Sean from Engines and Elbow Grease. Got another video for you today. I got this Kubota B2150 in here that I'm fixing up this winter. And we're gonna start with putting an ignition switch in it. This ignition switch is all screwed up inside. It doesn't like to go into the right positions, trigger the glow plugs. You gotta really fiddle with it to get it to work right. Plus the key, the original key that's in it, is cracking. It's got a hairline crack starting right there. So we need to put an ignition switch in this. I got a genuine Kubota ignition switch for it. Keys and everything. And I'm gonna show you how to switch this out. Now, this is kind of buried in the dash, but you can access it through the back here. It's all the way back in there, and it plugs in right there. So, shouldn't be too bad. I already have the locking ring off of it because I was fiddling with it. So I'm gonna set you up here and we're gonna get that plug off, pull that out, we'll get the new one in. There's a stanchion on the switch that locks the switch in right there. And we're gonna get that locked in, tightened down, get switch plugged in, and then we'll test it out. So let me get you set up here, get some light in under here, and we'll get to it. All right, it's still a little dark in here. I have some light in here, but I'm gonna try to show you this connector. You can see right here. This is the connector for the switch. I'll have the ignition switch right here. See if we can pull this switch out. All right. There's the ignition switch. There's a little push tab right there. Push that down. Unplug that connector. There's our old ignition switch right there. It's just a 4-pin. We got our new switch here. And I'm gonna put the switch into the dash first and get that tightened down, and then we'll worry about the connector here. Go. There we go. It's actually way easier with the dash out. All right, that leaves us with our plug right here. Gotta put these together one-handed, just like that. Perfect. Shove that down in there. Make sure all of our wires are clearing everything fine. All right. Got our new fresh keys that aren't broken. go. Nice. So let's get this instrument cluster back in here, and then we'll see if it starts right up. Perfect. Got to change that tire out, so I lifted it up with a bucket, and we'll get that wheel off and get that tire replaced next. All right, well, there you have it. How to change an ignition switch on a Kubota B2150. Not too bad. Helps to pull the instrument cluster out, so make sure you do that. Don't try to go through there like I did initially. It's way easier. That cluster pulls right out with those 4 bolts. You can just set it up on top of the dash, and it's right there. But that thing started right up. All the functions are working good. Good to go. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. We'll see you in the next one.